Jason, we just saw Jackie Mundry's story on the Dip and Dash in South Portland, and they do it every year on New Year's Eve. And, you know, they had some, although the water's cold, some warm air temps when they were doing it.
Yeah, you know what's even wilder, Sean, is that, do you think this is warm? Wait until this week coming up, next week. We're going to run for 60.
That's shorts weather.
See, I mean, 60 degrees. I mean, that's coming, a run for that this week. So right now it's warm. I'm not going to try to downplay how warm it is, but I mean, you think this is warm, wait until next week. Warm tomorrow, too, for New Year's Day, and another storm next week. And that's going to bring up warm air from the south. Speaking of, this is kind of an appetizer of that, where you're seeing those 50s down south, 40s and 30s up north. Typically, the highs are like 20s and 30s. So this is off the charts. And we broke records in Millinocket, for example, in Caribou. So friends up north. Now, Portland didn't break a record today, okay, because it was warmer back, I think it was 1990. It was crazy. So showers western Maine now, also up in the county in Presque Isle. Southern coast starting to get on it. You're going to go out this evening. You're going down to Boston, okay? Maybe you're going down to Rhode Island, Cape Cod. Here's the rain down south. You'll hit that first. So it's warm for us, warm everywhere. I mean, you're seeing green. It's not white. It's all rain here up and down the East Coast. High pressure spinning to our south, pumping up that warm air from the south. And here it is on the hour-by-hour forecast. 9 o'clock, you're getting ready to go out the door. You do your evening festivities and a light raincoat. You don't need the heavy, thick winter coat. Now watch what happens at 7 o'clock. Cold air is trying to wrap in, just kind of wrap in from the top here into the county. So there's going to be some snow up in Millinocket and Caribou tomorrow around middle of the day, but everyone else not really seeing snow. So I'm going to focus in on the rain, which is the bigger story. Only Cowles is up around 3/4, half-inch Rockland, Bar Harbor, a third Portland. This is not a lot of rain. It's mostly light, mostly nuisance-type rain. Before the bigger storm gets here, let's track the next one. So we'll take you out in the crystal ball of 2023, which is a few hours away. Tuesday, here's the next storm spinning in the Ohio Valley, with rain for us on Tuesday into a good chunk of Wednesday, depending on what happens with that low. Still some time to iron that out. Big story temperatures. It's going to be even warmer, a run for 60 Wednesday, and then it all crashes down. We do not get out of the mid-20s for highs. So if you like it warm, now is your time. Small craft advisory is up for Sunday. The wind out of the west, 15 to 20, gusting to 30. How about the forecast the next several days? It was pretty wild experience putting this thing together today. Go from the 40s inland and rain a couple times, 55 Wednesdays, we're into January, and then, oh, how about 23 for a high? We're just going to take 30 off the top there. So at the coast, it's even wilder, 50s not once but twice, and 40s. And then we just go down to, how about 55 Wednesday afternoon to 29 Thursday, and then 17 Friday morning, which, you know, 17 looks drastically different than 55, and it is, but guess what? 17 is the typical temperature for this time of the year in the morning for a wake-up temperature. So, I mean,
you know, I think some folks are going to enjoy those temps, but, you know, the ski areas, they're probably going to be hoping for the end of the week cold blast coming back.
Use the snow guns, get them going, yeah.
Love it. Jason, thank you so much.